Yes, Lake Pend Oreille. It is a place where people and doggies can play, where friends can get together too. Ha ha ha. Yes, little doggy, take a sippy sip out of that water. Climb that tree, young man, but make sure not to slip. Oh no, he did it. Can you just appreciate the nature? So beautiful. I wonder if those are magic. Oh, but that doggy sure is, isn't she? And the backflips are magic too. It's okay. It is okay if that doggy yips and yaps, because you're at Lake Pend Oreille. Nobody's gonna judge you if you dance. Well, maybe some. Play some games by the fire. But when that fire starts to die down, it's time to choppy some more wood, isn't it? Yes, and if you need to, you might just have to tug on that wood. Keep on chopping now. Oh, and when you finally chop through, you should be proud. Oh, but you're not done yet, are you? You have to transport the wood to the fireplace. Isn't it hard? You keep getting it stuck on stuff. Ha 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 ha. But you did it. And be proud you did it. Now it's time to rest. Maybe play some Pong. And the next day, if you're lucky, you just might see Bambi too. Oh, look at little Bambi. What a treat.